Will AI serve humanity, or replace it? Technology is evolving at an incredible pace, but can humans and machines truly coexist? In Machines of Loving Grace, John Markoff explores the history of AI and robotics, revealing how technology shapes our future and our relationship with machines. Are we building AI to help us, or to take control? Let's dive in. The rise of intelligent machines. Since the birth of computers, we've dreamed of intelligent machines. From early automation to today's AI revolution, robots have become assistants, AI-powered helpers like Siri and Alexa. Workers, robots in factories, logistics, and medicine. Decision makers? AI is now influencing laws, hiring, and even military operations. But as technology advances, we face a crucial question: should AI simply assist us, or should it have autonomy? Two paths for AI. John Markoff highlights two competing visions. Intelligence augmentation, IA, AI enhances human abilities, keeping people in control. Artificial intelligence, AI, machines become independent decision makers. The choice we make today will define our future. Opportunities and ethical concerns. The good, AI improves healthcare, education, and safety. Smart machines help us solve complex problems. Automation increases efficiency in many industries. The risks, job displacement due to automation. Ethical concerns, who is responsible for AI's mistakes? Loss of human control over intelligent systems. If AI surpasses human intelligence, what happens next? The future of AI and humanity. Markoff urges us to develop AI responsibly. Humans must stay in control. Ensure ethical AI practices, no biased or harmful systems. Create technology that empowers, not replaces, us. Will we choose machines of loving grace, or machines of cold calculation? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights.